Hi. Last 1 week we have seen significant correction in market, almost 250 points in Nifty, mainly due to global reasons and nothing to do with domestic scenario. What has been talked about is that the QE is ending and hence the interest rates in US would increase, which would lead to fund flows into US Treasury, and that would probably lead to emerging markets selling. Having said that, this is more talks as of now, and we have not seen much of selling pressure by FIs. If you look at FIs in fag end of July series have formed index futures long positions, and we have not seen any meaningful selling in cash market segment. I am not talking about the Friday's session where we saw 120 points fall in Nifty. But at this juncture, it is more of talks rather than actual actions of funds moving out of emerging markets. On the options front, we have seen that 7,300 put has emerged as the strike with the highest open interest. And most of the participants are now talking about market definitely going towards 7450 and probably breaching it also. We are not taking that call as of now. First thing, honestly, we were not anticipating this major correction which took place in market. And even if market goes till 7450, the bullish momentum or the trend which is there since quite few months, that would still remain intact. So our call is don't get very aggressive in shorting as of now. You can trade with negative bias by buying put options. Though implied volatility in puts has increased from 12.5% to 14.5% in last 3-4 trading sessions. But if market has to further correct from current levels, you can expect IVs to further go up. So rather than shorting futures for a negative view, we would suggest buy options. In call option front, we are now seeing some call writing happening around 77, 7800. So that would probably become a near-term resistance in place. 7450 is first support according to us. This we are talking purely from positional perspective. And if 7450 breached, then probably we can talk about significantly lower levels. Before that, we are not suggesting to go short in this market. If you look at the banking sector, Bank Nifty has been underperforming in the last 1 week, but the underperformance quantum is not very huge. The next support for Bank Nifty is around 14,900, and if that goes, we are very near to those levels, then 14,600. So the downside which we are looking in this market is not very huge. End of the day, it would be more of range-bound market when we see in a retrospective basis. But a correction from 7,800 to 7,450 would probably disturb many participants. So as of now, not to panic, but if you want to trade with negative bias, don't short future, trade with long put options.